Hi, so as you know, a lot of apps are being blocked on Fire Sticks right now. A lot of movie, TV shows, live TV, or live sports apps no longer work. So today I'll show you the best codes which you can use on the Unlinked app to still get access to the apps that work in 2026. The whole process will be pretty easy and it's gonna take you just a couple of minutes. And firstly, you need to get the app called Downloader to your Fire Stick. You can get it totally for free. Just go to search on your device and start typing downloader in the search bar. And as you can see, it has already popped out for us at the bottom. Click on it, and here is that orange application, which you need to get. But after you got downloader, it is not over yet, because you still need to set it up. So now to set up downloader, we are going to go into settings. So open settings, and here proceed to the My Fire TV folder. Open it up as well, and then we'll need to turn on the developer options in here. But on some Fire Sticks, and especially on the new Fire Stick devices, the developer options might be hidden by default. So if that's the case, and you cannot find developer options anywhere, then no need to worry because it's really easy to make them appear. Just go to About, select Fire TV Stick, and now you have to start clicking on the middle button on your remote. And do it fast, so let's do it. And as you can see, now for me at the bottom, it says no need, you are already a developer. That's in my case. And in your case, it will say that you have become a developer now. So if you go back a bit, you will finally see developer options. Open them, make sure to turn on the ADB debugging, then go into installation of unknown apps. And from here, just locate downloader and turn this option on. So what it does, it's going to allow you to install other applications from the internet and not necessarily only those apps which are only available in your official Amazon App Store by default. And that's exactly what we'll do right now. So then you return back to a list of apps on a Fire Stick, and here you will be able to locate the downloader. But before actually using downloader, there's one more thing which I always recommend doing. It's of course connecting to a VPN. In my case, I mostly use NordVPN because they're super fast. They got a great app for Fire Sticks, Android TVs, phones, laptops, or pretty much any other device that you may use. And they are not expensive for such a premium service. In fact, they cost less than a couple of bucks per month, which is a great pricing for us, the users. All you have to do in a VPN app is connect to any server. Let's say I will connect to Norway right now. And from the moment you connect, all your traffic will be totally encrypted. It means that no one can track you or snoop on you online. And that's really important if you want to stay out of trouble. And if you don't have a VPN yet, but you want to try it out, then I do have a great offer for you. If you use my link, which will be in a pinned comment below this video, or in a description of this video, you will get 3 months of Nord totally for free, which is an amazing offer. And if you're watching this video on your TV or on your Fire Stick, then just grab your phone or your computer, open up a web browser and go to topvpnoffer.com. That's my website, which is going to give you the same amazing deal for NordVPN with 3 months for free. Or just scan the QR code, which you can see on the screen right now, with a camera of your phone. It works the same way, and it's also going to give you the same deal for Nord. And now finally, let's use downloader safely. So we head back into the list of apps on your device, and then let's locate the downloader in here. Here it is, we open it, wait a moment until it loads. Then here at the top, there is a search bar. So we open it, and now we need to enter a link, which will be unlinked.link. So let's enter that together. Once again, it's unlinked.link. That's what you have to enter here in the search bar. So enter it and then click on Next, while it's loading, make sure to hit the like button below this video if you find it helpful. It truly helps me a lot. Then this web page will open up, and we just scroll down a little bit until you find that Download APK Android button. Click on it, and now the download of the app has started. That took us just a couple of seconds. Then you need to press install and wait a bit until the installation process is fully finished. After that, don't click open yet. Instead, it's better to press done, because this way you get an option to delete the installation files, as you don't really need them anymore on the Fire Stick. So click on delete and then delete once again. This way you will be able to save yourself some free space on your Fire Stick. And it's really important, because by default your Fire Stick doesn't really have too much of free space available anyway. Then we actually need to go to settings one more time. So go to settings, open My Fire TV, then open the developer options, go to the installation of unknown apps, and this time you have to locate Unlinked and turn this option on as well, because we'll be using Unlinked to get other apps from the internet for you. Now we return back to a list of apps on your device. Here it is. And at the very back you will locate Unlinked. So now you can hold down the middle button on your remote, and this menu will appear on the right side. Click on Move to Front, and this way Unlinked will always be at the very top of your application list, and therefore it will be way easier for you to access the app every time you need it. Just don't forget to keep your VPN connected to stay safe and out of trouble online. And once again, if you don't have a VPN yet, you can use a link below this video or in a pinned comment to get 3 months of Nord totally for free. Then let's finally go and start using the Unlinked. So you open it up, and here just press on Add a New Library. There we'll need to enter the codes to access different alternative app stores. And the first code is going to be Fire TV Guru. That is just the first code that we're entering, but there is going to be way more than this, more than one code. So just enter the code word as you can see on your screen and click on Next. Now I had to blur out my screen because of YouTube rules, but in your case, of course, it's not going to be blurred. And inside you will find loads of amazing applications of all kinds. Movie apps, live TV, TV shows, sports, media players, IPTV players, and so on. There's plenty of quite useful apps, and the majority of them are tested and should work on any Amazon Fire Stick device in 2026. So that was just the first app which we got. And now we head back to the list of apps on your device. Sorry, not the list, but head back to the home screen of Unlinked and click on Add a New Library. And now you need to enter another code, which will be everything, as a word. So enter everything, just as I do. Here we go. So enter everything and click Next. Again, I'm blurring my screen for the same reason as always. That's all because of YouTube rules. So that is another alternative app store number 2 for today, where you also can find a lot of amazing and useful applications for your Fire Stick. Again, there are movie apps, media players, web browsers, TV shows, live sports, live TV, and stuff like that. So that is the second application, and now we go back and enter another code. And now the third code is going to be Fire Stick as a word again. So just enter Fire Stick on your keyboard, just like that, and click Next. And that is the third app store today. It's as good as the previous two. There's a lot of applications that you should enjoy. So you just pick any of the apps that you like, and you will find a button to download this application to your Fire Stick. So the whole process is pretty much straightforward. And if this video was helpful, make sure to hit the like button below this video. It truly helps me a lot. This way even more people will see this video. See you next time. Bye bye.